Hey guys, in this video we are learning how to make the strength potion and also the uses and what the different types of strength potions do. So we have all the tools in this chest and then all the outcomes in that chest, and yeah, here we go. Alright, so the first one is how to make this completely normal strength potion. So obviously you need blaze powder, which you get from crafting with blaze rods to activate your brewing stand if you're new to brewing in Minecraft. You need water bottles, which is just glass bottles, and then you tap on water with them to get water bottles. You put them in the brewing stand. So for strength, I'm actually missing an ingredient. One sec. The first ingredient is going to be the nether wart, and as you can see, I already have this brewing in here. You just need some blaze powder to activate your brewing stand, some nether wart to put into your water bottles, which will create an awkward potion. This awkward potion right here. Now you need to mix the awkward potion with blaze powder. I actually don't have that set up, but you just do the same thing with the nether wart that you're doing here. You just take out the water bottles, put in awkward potions, and take out the nether wart and put in blaze powder. Okay, so next you'll have the potion of strength. This is just a completely normal potion of strength. You can actually use redstone. You can use some redstone for this. Now, what redstone is going to do is going to make it last longer. Like this right here, it says 8 minutes instead of 3 minutes now. Alright guys, for the next one, we're going to learn how to make strength 2. You need glowstone. You just put the glowstone in there with your completely normal potion of strength. If you try to do it with extended potion of strength, it won't work because you can't have them both at the same time. But what this will give you is the strength 2 potion. It will also have the time that will give you it, so you might have to make a wise choice. This time we're going to learn how to make the splash potion of strength. You can actually do it with the normal one, the strength potion 2, and the extended time strength potion. So all you need is blaze powder, once again, to activate your stand. Put in your whatever potion of strength you want. You just grab some gunpowder, put it in there, and what that's brewing now, what that's actually going to give you is this right here. It can give you it can give you whatever. Depending on what you put in here, it's going to give you a splash potion, which if you throw it down, it will give you the effect, and players around you, and mobs. Alright, this time we are going to learn how to make the lingering potion of strength. So you just need to put your splash potions, whichever ones you have, in there, and you're going to take your dragon breath. We're gonna put one at the top, and what that's gonna give you is this lingering potion of strength. And if you don't know how lingering potions work, if you just, let's go on top of the academy. Alright, I'm on top of the academy. If you just, yeah, you can throw it like a splash potion, but it will make a cloud that will stay there for a longer time. So yeah guys, that was how to make the strength potion and all of its variants, and I will see you next time.